Hello, my dear CA final students. I am starting with a new fast track batch, face to face and online live in Chennai, Nungambakam, from March 6th to March 19th, morning 10 o'clock to evening 6 p.m. And the number of hours, expected number of hours is 80 to 85 hours, and you will be provided with two books. One is revised book and the second one solved workbook. Revised book is a color book that contains charts, illustrations. From that only the lecture will be taken. And solved workbook contains around some 900 questions, so that will be given to you for practice. So these two books will be provided to you, and we are going to cover exhaustively all the important areas and purely from exam point of view. So what you can achieve after completion of this batch? So definitely you will be getting confidence on the subject, and guaranteed you can score 60 plus marks. And this is exclusively for face-to-face students who just wanted to join, and in Chennai, Nungambakam, so in our premises you can come and attend. And for those who wish to attend from your place online live, you can also attend. Save the date, March 6th to March 19th, morning 10 o'clock to evening 6 p.m. Okay, and don't worry, I will give ample breaks, and whatever doubts that you have, you can post it when I am taking online live class. If you have any queries, you can post it, and I will be able to see that, and I will definitely incorporate into my discussion and face to face. So definitely you can ask whatever doubts that you have. So the objective is that once this this batch gets over, so definitely you should be able to go to the exam, and you should complete the paper and attempt for 100 marks, and you should get minimum 60 marks. So that is the objective of this. And in this we will also be discussing about assignment questions, then some live MCQs, etc. So I'll be waiting for you. You can see the registration link below, and please enroll soon, and the admissions will be closed by March 1st. Thank you.